Sounds good. I hope so for what's about to happen. I'm about to make a name for myself. You just make sure people know what happened here today. Alright guys, we are in the 1,000 horsepower 2024 Blackwing shop project, and this is my first time driving it, so you're gonna get a real-time reaction here and see how I feel about it. So let's get into it a little bit. Woo! Holy shit! This thing is fast. This thing is fast. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna tell you the speed we just went. No way. This thing is an absolute monster. So cool how the boost ramps up. It's not particularly like instant the way we have it ramping up, but it kind of feels like a ProCharger turbo type. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's not so violent right off the get where you think you're just gonna wipe your tires clean off. You know, being 1,000 horsepower on the street, you know, it'll just take the tires off as soon as you mash it. But you know, the way it ramps up just makes it feel so much more safe.
Is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
That's funny. I hope the camera got that. That guy was absolutely loving the car. Shout out to GenesisFireProtection.com. This thing is fast. Yeah.
Were you lowering it earlier whenever I was on your ass?
Maybe. I'm not sure. I Okay, we'll find out. I turned it off. Hey, I think this Mustang wants to tango. Hey, go that way. Get over, guys. Let me beat his ass. Get over. God damn. Dude, that would have been so funny. I would have whooped that thing's ass. Oh my God, dude. Where are they going? When y'all go back and watch this on the GoPro, what the doing? Did you hear that? I just got on it for the guys a little bit. What the doing?
What do you mean?
Dude, I was laughing so hard at y'all on the camera when y'all were driving. Dude, y'all just see me trying to line up with that Mustang and y'all were just sitting in front of me. I was like, move! I would have whooped that dude's ass.
So Michael's map doesn't have the tollway on, so we're like, where are we going?
Does a supercharger sound good from outside the car? Yeah. This thing can rocket ship. Damn, that's pretty good. Okay, I'll put the name right here for the guys, but we got these super high-tech dudes putting little balls all over our WIKD C7 shop car. They're doing a like legit 3D scan of this car, like not some. You'll see what I mean. Come check it out. Come check it out.
It's not gonna look like this. I gave him earplugs.
Lead me.
Balls.
One, two, three, go. Oh, damn it, Nick.
Dude.
Alright, ready.
Alright. We're going?
Yes.
Rolling?
Yep, we're
Alright,
rolling.
I'll put the name right here, but we got these super professional dudes doing a 3D scan of our Shop C7 car.